Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to upload 4K shorts on YouTube in 2025 so that your videos stay crystal clear and sharp even after processing. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So before uploading your YouTube shorts video in 4K quality, you need to simply just keep some things in mind. First of all, you need to shoot your shorts video in HD resolution and it should be in the 9:16 vertical format. Now, when you are editing it, you need to make sure that you export it in the settings that match the 4K quality, high bitrate, and MP4 format for the best results. Now, once you have the video ready in the 4K format, you need to come here in your YouTube studio. Over here, click on the option of create in the top right hand corner of the screen, then select the option of upload videos. Over here, click on the option of select file and you need to simply select that particular video of yours which is in 4K. Now, you can use the hashtag shorts in the title and the description in order to for the YouTube to recognize it as a short. You can also include the keywords to help it rank. Now on desktop, you can check the video quality drop down before publishing it. On mobile, just upload normally and YouTube will process it in 4K if your file is in that resolution. Now after uploading it, you may first see it in the 1080p, but you need to wait for some time until it shows you in the 4K resolution. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comment section below, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you never miss any of our future tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.